Gurudeva online classes. Yes, my dear students, in the last class, what we have discussed? Yes, in the last class, we learnt about the basic operations along with number line. Okay, have you completed the homework? Yes, well. Yes, students, so in this class, I will bring an interesting and a beautiful concept to you. Do you know which is that? Yes. So in this class, I am going to share some beautiful things. The first one is shapes. The second one, it is about multiplication tables. And the third one, about coins and notes. And the last one, about time. Okay. So now, don't waste our precious time. Directly, I am starting our today's class. Yes. So first topic, it is about shapes. Yes, students, in the class first, already you learned some basic shapes, right? So do you know which are those? Students, so first come to the plane shapes. Students, name the plane shapes. Yes, you already learned in class first, right? The first one, it is a square. The second one, rectangle. Third one, triangle. And the last one, circle. So these are the four plane shapes you learnt in class first. So this plane shapes is also called as 2D shapes. Okay. See, now come to the first one, that is square. Look here, this is a square shape. It contains the four sides. So look here, this is the first side, second side, third side and the fourth. So it contains the four sides and also it has four corners. See, look here. These are called the corners of the given shape. See, this it has four corners. Okay. In square shape, all the sides are equal. Okay. All the four sides are equal in square shape. Okay. So now come to the second one. That is rectangle. Students, look here. This is a rectangle shape. So, in rectangle shape, it has four sides. See here, this is the first one, second one, third one and the fourth one. Okay, total four sides. And also it contains the four corners. So look here, these are called the corners. Okay, it contains the total four corners. Okay, yes, next very important thing. So in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. See here, it is the first side. Okay, its opposite side is this one. So here these two sides are equal in rectangle. So now here is also another one side, that is third one. Its opposite side is this is right. So these two sides are equal. So totally opposite sides are equal in rectangle. Okay, but in square all the sides, the four sides are equal in square. Okay, students, so look here, this is a triangle. So the name itself, it says this tri means three. It has three sides. See here, this is the first one, second one and this is the third one. The total sides are three. Come to the corners. See, look here, this is the first corner, this is the second one and this is the third one. It contains three corners. Okay, but in triangle these three sides may be equal, may not be equal. Okay, so now come to the last one, that is circle. Students, the shapes like square, rectangle and this triangle we are drawing with the help of straight line, like this line. Okay, but this circle we are going to draw with the help of curved line. So look here, this is a circle. So here we are not using straight line to draw this. We are using curved lines. Okay, and the special thing is this circle does not have any sides and corners. Right? So this is a brief information about the plane shapes. Now come to the solid shapes. Students, come to the solid shapes. Yes, in the class first you learned some solid shapes. What are those? The first one, it is cube. Second one, cuboid. third one cone, and the fourth one cylinder, and the last one it is sphere. So these are all the solid shapes you learnt in class first. Okay, so now first come to the cube. Students, look here. This is a cube shape. So this solid shape we can also call it as 3D shapes. The plane shapes are 2D shapes. The solid shapes are 3D shapes. Right? So in that this is a cube. Okay? Yes, give me some examples for cube. Ice cube. The next one, building cube blocks, gift box, dice. So these are all a few examples for cube. Okay? So now I will move to the next shape, that is cuboid shape. Students, so now look here, this is a cuboid shape. Okay? Yes, give me some examples for cuboid shape. Yes, the best example is a duster. This is a first example. The next, your eraser, sharpener, geometry box. Okay? Brick. These are all a few examples for cuboid. Okay? So now come to the next shape, that is cone. Have you seen cone? See, look here, this is a cone. Yes. Give me some examples for cone shape. The best example is birthday cap. The next one, funnel. The third one, ice cream cone. So these are all best example for cone shape. Okay. So now I will move to the next solid shape, that is cylinder. Students, look here. This is a cylinder shape. Yes. Give me some example. The first example is LPG. Have you seen in your kitchen room? Yes. So this is an LPG. It is in the shape of cylinder. The next example is piece of chalk. This is also a best example for cylinder shape. Next, look here. This is a bottle, right? So it is also in the shape of cylinder. Okay. Tin box, shell. These are all a few examples for cylinder shape. Okay. Students, look here. This is a sphere shape. Okay. Yes, give me some beautiful example. Yes, the best example is ball, right? The next one, globe. The next one, sun, moon, laddu, right? So these are all a beautiful examples for sphere. Okay. So now I will move to the next concept. Hey students, in the class first, already you learned some multiplication tables. Yes, tell me which are those? Yes, multiplication table of 1, multiplication table of 2, multiplication table of 5, and the last one is multiplication table of 10. You learned in class first. Okay? Yes, now look here. So here is one beautiful flower. How many flower is there? Here is only one flower, right? So students, look here. Here only one flower is there. Okay. Next. Now, how many flowers are there? Here the same flower is there, but the number of flowers are 2. So, it is the total flowers are 2. So next, again here is also a same flower. The number of flowers are 1, 2, 3. So here 3. So now the total number of flowers are 3 here. See, for only one flower it is 1. For 2 flower it is 2. For 3 flower it is 3. For 4 flowers it is 4. 1 is 1. Only single flower. 1, 2s are 2. Here the same flower, but it increased by 1. So it is a 2 flowers. Next, 1, 3s are 3. Okay. The next, 1, 4s are 4. Next, 1, 5s are 5. 1, 6 are 6. Students, so look here. These are all a multiplication table of 1. See here. 1 is 1. 1 2s are 2. 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 6 are 6, 1 7s are 7, 1 8s are 8, 1 9s are 9, 1 10s are 10. So now come to the multiplication table of 2. Students, so now look here. So here at first only one boy is there, right? How many legs he has? He has 2 legs. See here, the number of legs are 2. It is for only one boy. So now the total number of legs are 2. 2 itself. For one boy, 2 legs, right? So now look here. How many boys are there? 2 boys, right? So the number of boys are 2. See, each boy has 2 legs, right? The number of boys here 2 and each boy has 2 legs. See here, it is the number of legs and this is the number of boys. See, now you count the number of legs in 2 boys. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 2 boys has 4 legs, right? So now come to the next concept. See, one finished, 2 boys also finished. Now come to 3 boys. Yes, in 3 boys, each boy has how many legs? 2 legs, right? So here 2 legs. How many boys are there? 3 boys. Now you have to find out the number of legs in 3 boys. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number of legs in all the boys is 6. Yes, students, look here. For one boy, 2 legs. For 2 boys, 4 legs. For 3 boys, 6 legs. For 4 boys, it is 8. See here. For 4 boys, it is 8. It is very simple. You have to add 2 for every number. Then you will get the next number. See, for example, for 5 boys, the number of legs are 8 plus 2. What is 8 plus 2? 8 plus 2 is 10. The next, for 6 boys, 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. So, in the same way, for 7 boys, it is 14 legs. So, students, so this is a multiplication table of 2. So, look here. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. So these are the multiplication table of 2. So now come to the multiplication table of 5. Students, look here, it is a hand, right? So in one hand, how many fingers are there? 5 fingers, right? The number of fingers are 5 here. It is for only one hand. So the number of fingers is equals to again a 5. Okay. The next. Now for 2 hands. Okay. The number of fingers for one hand, it is 5, right? So 5 into 2. For 2 hands, it is 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Right here 10. The next, for 3 hands. First, for one hand, the number of fingers are 5. So here the number of hands are 3. Okay. So number of fingers in 3 hands, it is 15. So it is very easy. The value goes on increases by 5. Okay. Yes. Next, for 4 hands, 15 plus 5, it is 20. The next, for 5 hands, 20 plus 5, it is 25. Next, 30, 35, 40, 45, like that. Okay, students. So this is our multiplication table of 5. See here. 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. Now come to the multiplication table of 10. Students, so here is one boy, right? He has 10 fingers. Okay, so here is 10 fingers for only one boy. The number of fingers are 10. Yes, now for two boys. Now you tell me for two boys. For one boy it is 10 fingers. For two boys it is 10 plus 10, it is 20. Next, for three boys. Okay, the number of fingers are 3. Now for 3 boys it is increased by 10, so it is 30. See here, the same value increases by 10 here. Okay, students, look here, this is a multiplication table of 10. 10 1 is 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40, 10 5s are 50, 10 6s are 60, 10 7s are 70, 10 8s are 80, 10 9s are 90 and 10 10s are 100. Okay, so these multiplication tables you learnt in class first, right? So these are all very important. Please practice in your home and be perfect in that. Students, the next concept is about money. Okay, so in our day-to-day life, without money we cannot lead our life easily. Okay, without money there is no world, right? So it is very important in our day-to-day life. Okay, yes, so that's why our parents, they went to earn the money, right? Yes, students, our Indian currency means in other countries they are using their own currencies, but in our India we are using rupees as a currency. So students, look here, this is a symbol of rupee. This is a symbol of rupee, right? Yes, in our India we use some notes and coins. So do you know which are those? Yes. So first come to the coins. The first coin, it is 1 rupee coin. So look here. This is a 1 rupee coin. The second one, 2 rupee coin. Third one, 5 rupee coin. And the next one, 10 rupee coin. And the last one means nowadays the 20 rupees coins also available. So students, so these are all the coins we are using in our India. And also I want to say one thing you, the 50 paise and also a 25 paise, these two coins are banned by the government of India. So nowadays we are not using these two coins. We are using only 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee and 20 rupee. These are the coins we are using in our India. So now come to our notes. The first point is the notes are printed by RBI. RBI means the Reserve Bank of India prints all these type of notes. So do you know which are the notes we are using in our India? Yes, the first one is a 1 rupee note. Next, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 200 rupee note and 500 rupee note. The next one, it is a 2000 rupees note. So these are all the notes we are using in our India. Okay, yes students, now you learn what are the notes and coins. See, inside of every notes and coins, it has some number, right? So this number shows the value of that coin or notes, right? Yes. Students, now come to our last concept. It is about time. Students, first all of you look at this picture. It is a clock. Yes, already you know about it, right? What it shows to us? It shows time to us, right? Without this time, we cannot lead our life easily. Okay? But in ancient day, the peoples are using sundial. By using the sundial, they know the time. Nowadays, we are using different types of clock. Analog clock, digital clock. Okay? These are all the clocks we are using nowadays. Yes. So now look here. This is an analog clock. In analog clock, it contains some numbers. 1 to 12 numbers. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Yes students, so this is called the face of the dial. The round shape is there now. This is called the face of the dial. And this clock has 3 hands. The first one, it is a second hand. It always rotating along the clock. And the next one, it is a longer hand. It shows minutes to us. And the third one, it is a shorter hand. It shows hour to us. Okay. Yes, already I told the bigger divisions. How many are there? The 12. In between every 2 digit, it contains the 5 small divisions. Right? So this small divisions indicates the seconds. Okay? As students, already you know the longer hand. It shows minutes to us. Right? The shorter hand, it shows hours to us. Right? Yes. When the minute hand is at exact 12 and the hour hand is at present any number in the face of the clock, means it is present at a bigger digit, on the time we read the time as o'clock. For example, look here. Here the longer hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 3. So now we say the time as 3 o'clock. Now the time is 3 o'clock, right? See now I will give another one example to you. Where is the minute hand? It is exactly at 12, right? The next, where is the hour hand? It is at 9, right? Okay, now the time is 9 o'clock, okay? Yes, students, so this is a brief information about time. Yes, students, in this class you learn beautiful concepts, right? The first one is about shapes, the next about the multiplication tables, next money, and the last one is about time. So these are all the information. It will help in your higher classes. Okay? Okay, students. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Take care. Have a grateful day.